the transfer of the government land. Proposal for the transfer of the government land for the primary health center Maye. ताच्या खातीर 2063 square meter. Approval of the appointment of the various GSIDC contractual staff. जो आसा existing ताकाच approval दिल्ले आसा. Work of the construction of the Goa hut at Penjim. तो 10% आशिल्लो. ताजो टेंडर जाल्लो. तो ताका work order दिल्ली आसा. Constitution of the pension cell to examine and verify the details of the premature retired employees pursuant by the High Court and जेंची order दिल्ली फाटले तेंचो pension cell separately form केला आनी तेंची सगळी details करपा खातीर pension cell काम करतलो. Proposal filling of the 2 post lecturer in IPHP, okay, contractual भरपा खातीर IPHP. Proposal filling of the 3 posts of the tutor and assistant lecturer in Goa Medical College contractual basis चेर घेवपा खातीर. Okay. Proposal for the independent dedicated IT cell in the chief election office, separate IT cell appoint केला. Jet pressure मशिनाचो additional आमी contract basisचेर घेतलेले ताका approval दिल्ले आसा. Post facto expenditure approval of the World Ayurveda Congress, so it is 38 lakhs. Okay. Kala Bhavan Sakwale, आमी temporary position जे Indian Bar Council of India हांच्या खातीर दिला for the legal education and research purpose. Okay. There is an amendment in the business of the government of Goa allocation rule and amendment Goa Gazetteer department जे form केला तितूर वेगवेगळे allocations केल्ले आसा. Proposal of the transfer of the government land of 200 square meter in for 4 mobile towers in South Goa. KPA constituency in वेगवेगळे mobile tower घालपा खातीर government land आमी allocate केल्ली आसा. It is a transfer of the government land in Mayam constituency for the crematorium. Okay. Just आयच्या कॅबिनेटाक इतकीच डिसिजन आशिल्ली.